iTERMINALS 4.0 is an innovation project co-funded by the European Union through the Connecting Europe Facility program that will implement Industry 4.0 concepts in the port container terminal industry. The project will facilitate the integration of technologies like Internet of Things, big data, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing to improve the efficiency, safety, and sustainability of container terminal operations. iTERMINALS 4.0 project is coordinated by the Fundación Valencia Port, and the project consortium includes the most relevant equipment manufacturers and software providers, as well as terminal operators all over Europe, proposing new Industry 4.0 solutions, which will be tested at strategic container terminals in ports of the 10T network. iTERMINALS 4.0 is addressing one of the main concerns in the port sector: the absence of harmonized operational and information exchange standards applied by the industry. This is a barrier that causes operational bottlenecks and emission impacts, thus reducing the overall efficiency of these facilities. In response to this, recognized port container operators, equipment manufacturers, and software providers have joined forces, creating the Terminal Industry Committee 4.0. iTERMINALS 4.0 is an action supported by TIC 4.0 to test and evaluate advanced Industry 4.0 pilots in port container terminals. That will include the upgrade of equipment sensor networks, the design of advanced big data and predictive analytics, the application of artificial intelligence, as well as the provision of business intelligence models and real-time dynamic KPIs reporting. iTERMINALS 4.0 will test Industry 4.0 technologies in 4 business areas for better decision-making to increase operational efficiency. Container handling operations are the core business for container terminals, and they integrate different interfaces and processes, which are usually fragmented and not well interconnected. The Container Terminal 4.0 will improve existing sensor networks to allow full connectivity and real-time information exchange among different container handling equipment, making possible real-time data analytics. Port operations in container terminals combine human-to-machine interactions that are particularly dangerous considering the dimension, weights, and speeds of the loads moved. iTERMINALS 4.0 will develop new adaptive safety concepts to enable flexibility and advanced human-machine interaction by combining technologies able to create virtual safety geofences around port equipment, thus avoiding risks and dangerous situations. With more than 250 container terminals in Europe, it is estimated a yearly generation of 1.5 million of CO2 equivalent tons derived from container handling operations. iTERMINALS 4.0 will enable the measurement in real time of fuel consumption at port container terminals, so that providing dynamic environmental KPIs that will help the port industry to better control and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Finally, port equipment maintenance represents a field where digitization can provide significant benefits for improving preventative and predictive maintenance, thus reducing costs and extending the operational lifetime of port equipment. Thanks to Internet of Things technologies, alarms of failure events will be directly transmitted to the maintenance departments to create repair orders automatically and improve maintenance processes, saving time and increasing port equipment reliability and lifetime. Thanks to the innovative Industry 4.0 solutions and pilot demonstrations, iTERMINALS 4.0 will enable real-time machine-to-machine communications, detecting operational bottlenecks, and designing real-time KPIs, thus reducing operational costs and environmental impacts, as well as increasing safety at ports. iTERMINALS 4.0, application of Industry 4.0 technologies towards digital port container terminals.